I wake up to the sound of waves crashing outside my window. Bali mornings always start slow, golden sunlight creeping over the horizon, painting the sky with soft pastels. I step onto the sand, toes sinking in, and watch surfers carve through turquoise waves. There's a peace here that just hits different. Next stop, the bustling markets of Ubud. The air is thick with the scent of incense and fresh fruit. I weave through stalls overflowing with hand-woven baskets, vibrant sarongs, wood carvings, each one a piece of Bali's soul. The chatter of vendors, the laughter of locals, the distant sound of gamelan music. It's a sensory overload in the best way. But you can't talk about Bali without talking about the food. I grab a plate of nasi campur from a tiny warung, the flavors bold and surprising. Spicy sambal tender chicken, perfectly cooked rice. I try satay skewers grilled over open flames, and sweet pisang goreng, crispy banana fritters that melt in my mouth. Every bite tells a story. Every meal feels like a celebration. As the sun sets, I find myself back on the beach. The sky blazes orange and pink, and lanterns flicker to life along the shore. Bali isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a rhythm, a memory I'll keep chasing long after I leave. And just like that, another day in paradise comes to an end. Until next time, Bali.